Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz and thank you for being here for this tutorial. I must confess right up front, I am not a person that does a lot of texting in my business. And I'm still at this point questioning where this falls into a communication technique within my business. But just a little while ago, I had a client that I'm trying to get a hold of. I called, I emailed, I'm not hearing back. So because there's something time sensitive that I need to talk to him about, I made a decision to send him a text message. Let me show you how that works using my contact info in Act as an example. I'm going to come up top and I'm going to click on SMS. I'm going to go send SMS. When I do that, this box pops up. Now I have a pre-written saved message and I'm going to click on this drop down and it's just call me. That is the message right there. Now what it does is I've set it up so by default it will automatically take the first name of the contact, put it in there, and simply that's my message. That's all. Tony was filled in automatically because that's obviously my name. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to hit send, and when I send this I'm going to get a confirmation that it went out, and next as the screen flashes in the history that information went out. Anyhow, I want to give you some insights into how this works and how this can be used and see if you think it's something that would be useful for you. If it is, give me a call, I'll give you some more details, and we'll go through that and find out if this might be a tool that you can use. Thank you everyone, have a great day. Bye now.